Hey guys, it's Mobile Man Dan here with Cool Smartphone, and as you might have seen on the website recently, we did a full review of the OnePlus 6, which came out in London quite recently. OnePlus kindly gave us a device to do a full review on. We were one of the early testers, so thank you for OnePlus for doing that. I'm also trying out one of the OnePlus bags because I needed a replacement bag, so I got one of these. Really cool, loads of compartments for me to put the gadgets in, so that's why they call me Mobile Man Dan, really, because I have loads of gadgets on me, 3 or 4 phones at a time, tablets, laptops, headsets. Yeah, this is really cool. So if anyone wants information about the OnePlus bag, let me know. But that's not why I'm doing a video today. So the OnePlus 6 has got a lot of attention recently. It's one of the best phones on the market right now, and it is the best phone that OnePlus have ever made. They've currently got the silk white version, which is really nice. They've got the midnight black, which is the glossy black kind of version, and they have the mirror black, which is the one I've been personally using. Really nice. But there's a new colour, and it's limited edition. It's just become available, and it's the red one that everyone's been asking for. So this isn't a full review. This is just a quick hands-on with the phone, just to show you the tour of outside of the phone, what the differences are really. The full review is either up there or down there, wherever you're reading or watching this, whether it's on YouTube or on Cool Smartphone. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the phone, really, just to show you the differences. But it's really nice, this phone. Love the black and the red combination. So again, it is black on the front. All the phones are black on the front, even on the white version. I would prefer a white version with the white back, but they've gone for all black. So some people prefer black phones, so at least you get that, and you can probably get a kind of screen protector if you want to change the colour. There are a few of them on Amazon and eBay. But yeah, you get all black front, just like all the other OnePlus phones, very minimal bezels. I'm actually recording this video on the black version of the OnePlus 6 that I have personally. So I'm using the front-facing camera to record this, so hopefully the quality is decent. But it's not the front that is the real difference, it's the sides and the back. So on the top you have the one of the microphones, which is for noise cancellation, which you don't always think of it as a feature, but noise cancellation on voice calls is really important, especially if you're busy. So it does make a bit of a difference. On the left hand side you have the SIM card tray with the power button, so the volume up and volume down keys, just like on all the other OnePlus, but these are now red with a little like a blackish clearish line there used for the aerial and the antennas. Looking over at the right hand side, you have the 3-way switch, which is used to switch between loud, vibrate and silent, which is really handy to have. I've really appreciated having this since having OnePlus myself. It's one of those things that you can quickly flick between to, if you're going into a meeting or you can't have your phone on loud, quick flick of that, really handy to have. And then you have the power button. Down the bottom you have 3.5mm headphone jack. So OnePlus kept the headphone jack on their flagship phone. A lot of companies are doing away with that, but OnePlus thankfully kept with that, at least for now. Whether we'll see that in the 6T or the 7 because of their new wireless headphones, we don't know, but thankfully on the 6 we still have it. We have the other microphone. We have the USB Type-C charging port, which features dash charging, so you can get the really quick charging. If you use the OnePlus supplied cable, which is in red, and you use the charging brick, then you get dash charging, which is like half a battery in about half an hour. So I've noticed really quick. One thing you notice when you're charging with normal chargers, you get the normal battery symbol going up. When you're using dash charge, it actually turns to like a lightning symbol, so you know you're using dash charge, so it is quicker. The main difference though is on the back. As I say, the surrounding area is red, which is really nice, but the back is where the big difference is. You still get the design by OnePlus at the bottom. OnePlus very proud of their designs, obviously. You get the OnePlus logo in the middle, and this is in gold, which looks really cool. You have the fingerprint reader, which has a nice gold surrounding area to it as well. You have the dual LED flash, and then above it you have the dual cameras, again with a gold accent around it, which looks really nice. Feels really premium. It's toughened glass on the back, so don't worry, I'm not going to break it by testing this out. You can even use it without a case if you wanted, although you do get one in the box. It is a clear case that comes in the box, so you get to show off the nice red design, so that's really, really nice and a good thought by OnePlus. Overall, I would actually say that this is my personal favorite color. I've been using the mirror black for a while. It's a total fingerprint magnet, but I love it. I put a range of different cases OnePlus have sent me to try out, but often I just use the clear one in the back and that comes in the box because it shows off the design, which is really nice. I've tried a couple of skins from Extreme Skins. If you're based in the UK, Extreme Skins, really, really good company for doing different color skins and patterns for your phone. I've tried quite a few, so you can always check them out if you want to. What I like about this though is, again, it's the nice shiny red finish to it. It's got the sheet of glass over it as well, so it's extra tough, really, really strong to use. Really, really impressed with it. It just looks different. You know, you imagine using this as a phone, and it catches quite a lot of attention because of the red. It does really show off. I do like white phones myself, so I want to get hands on the white one to have a look at that. I did have a quick hands on at the launch party, but there were so many people there, and I had my own black one, so I was using the black one more than anything to get my coverage with. But the red one's really, really impressive, actually. It's the same price as well as the existing models, so I believe it's available in the 8 gig with the 128 gig of storage, so really high spec phone. I'll put all the information and the links down below on the website and in the description if you want to check it out. But that's just a quick kind of look really at what you get on the red OnePlus 6. Haven't got the box with me. The standard things come in the box. You get your dash charger. You don't get a headset in the box, so you can order one online. You can use your own one if you want to, or you can buy the wireless ones, which are really, really good. When I get my hands on those to try them out. But you don't get a headset in the box, so just make sure you remember that. But you do have the headphone jack, so that's fine anyway. You get the instructions and you get the clear case, and obviously you get the phone itself. It is still dual SIM, it is still dual 4G, so you get to switch really quickly between the two SIMs if you have 2 SIM cards. So that's really handy for people on the go. If you want your phone for work and for personal use, you can have one phone now. Battery life, really impressive on my device. Like I say, the cameras are really good. I'm recording this right now on my my OnePlus 6, the mirror black version, so you can obviously see the quality for yourself. Got a few sample photos up from the rear camera over on my full review over at Cool Smartphone, so you can check those out if you want to check picture quality. Low light photos, really impressive with this. For the money as well, it's around about the £500 mark. You get a phone with dual SIM, dual lens camera on the back, high quality front camera, dash charging. Yeah, it's got the gigabit LTE speed, so I've had speeds of around about 200 meg on the E network here in Torquay. In certain locations, obviously everyone's else will be different, but it really is superb value for money. For £500, this phone is really great value for money. Depends which colour you prefer. Obviously, you've got the 2 versions of the black, which I've detailed in my post, what the differences are and what I think about them. You've got the white, and then you've got the new red. So I'm going to stop rambling on. I just wanted to get a quick hands-on video up so everyone can see what you expect to get from the device. So thank you to OnePlus for sending us over so we can show it off. And this is a quick look at the red OnePlus 6. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe to me on YouTube. Is very much appreciated. I'm trying to do a lot more YouTube content now to get the attention up and to try and get myself a bit more out there. The channel's been going for about 4 or 5 years, and I've been doing little bits, so I'm trying to get a lot more into it now. So if you have any questions about the red OnePlus 6, just let me know. And if you have any questions about the OnePlus bag as well, this is about £60 to buy, but really, really worth it. Just let me know. So thanks for watching, and any more content check out on Cool Smartphone or here on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.